This is Mr. Marco with Story Writers. Today we're talking about pumps and how to pump up your tires. First thing to understand is that there are two types of valves. The first one, and the most common one, is called Schrader valve. This is also found on your car tires. The other type is called Presta valve. Let's attach the pump nozzle to the Schrader valve. The first thing you want to notice is if your valve is straight, which by that I mean is it perpendicular with the rim. As you can see, this is a little crooked. If you inflate like that, that could cause damage. The way that you correct that, you're going to grab the spokes, grab the tire, and just wiggle a little bit. I'm wiggling the tire that way until you see that this is straight. You can pull it out a little and you're ready to go. Next, you're going to want to attach the nozzle to the valve. Now, a common thing that happens is as I'm pushing the valve on, the whole valve can go inside. We don't want that to happen. We want it to stay in place. What you can do is just put some pressure on this side, attach the nozzle, and then flip this little switch here to form a seal. If you did it correctly, it should begin to pump up with little resistance. I'm looking at the tire right now, making sure that I do indeed see it inflating. And also I'm looking for any place where the tire is coming off of the rim. If that's happening, I need to deflate it and start again. I'm looking at both sides. It looks just like where it should be sitting. And what can happen if you do inflate it and it's coming off of the rim, it can actually explode. So there you go, we have a tire that is inflating. Now the other type of valve, Presta valve, requires a different nozzle. Now this particular pump, as well as many other pumps that you'll buy, will come with a little adapter. It looks like this. The way to use this adapter is you have to attach it to the valve. Now the first thing you'd want to do is loosen this valve. It has a little metal thing right here. You want to loosen it, lefty-loosey, all the way. And if I push down, you'll see that some air will come out. So I'm deflating it all the way. There we go. Then I'll take this adapter and I'm going to screw the thicker part onto the valve all the way. Now I take my pump and I just use it the same way that I used it with the Schrader valve. Put it on, secure it. I'll begin to pump. And I do see that it's inflating. So we're good to go.